Welcome back to Ride Rush, your destination for high-octane military tech and powerful machines that redefine engineering. Today, we are diving into the story of one of the most iconic stealth aircraft ever built, the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. Origins of the stealth phantom. Born during the Cold War, the B-2 Spirit was the result of a top-secret program aiming to create an aircraft capable of slipping past Soviet radar systems. Development began in the 1970s, and by 1989, the B-2 took its first public flight. Built by Northrop Grumman, it was designed to penetrate dense anti-aircraft defenses and deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons, undetected. Design that defies radar. What sets the B-2 apart is its revolutionary flying wing design. With no vertical stabilizers and a flat, sleek profile, the B-2 minimizes radar cross-section to an astonishing degree. Radar-absorbent materials, heat-shielding exhaust, and complex shaping make it nearly invisible to enemy detection systems. It's not just stealthy, it's practically a ghost in the sky. Power and performance. The B-2 is powered by 4 General Electric F-118 GE 100 turbofan engines, buried within its wings to reduce infrared and acoustic signatures. With a range of over 6,000 nautical miles unrefueled and over 10,000 with mid-air refueling, it can strike targets across the globe without ever being seen. It cruises at high subsonic speeds and flies at altitudes above 50,000 feet. Mission versatility. Despite being initially designed for nuclear delivery, the B-2 has evolved. It can now carry 40,000 pounds of ordnance, including conventional bombs, precision-guided munitions, and bunker busters. Its combat debut was in Kosovo in 1999, and it's since seen action in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Libya, always striking from the shadows, always returning undetected. Cost and rarite. With each unit costing over $2 billion, the B-2 Spirit is one of the most expensive aircraft ever built. Only 21 were made, and fewer than 20 remain in service today. Despite its cost, the B-2 represents a pinnacle in military aviation, a technological marvel with few rivals. Legacy and the future. The B-2's success paved the way for future stealth programs, including the upcoming B-21 Raider. But even as newer models approach, the B-2 remains a symbol of air dominance, deterrence, and the unmatched capability of American aerospace engineering. Outro. Subscribe for more. That's all for today's deep dive into the B-2 Spirit. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Ride Rush for more content on military tech and engineering marvels that push the limits of possibility. Until next time, keep your engines running and your curiosity flying high.